Hi, I'm Todd Cook. Welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of Polymers Ask the Cook. We're here to talk about polymers and polymer application to help you answer the question, what do you need to know to add polymer skills to your career? One of the most useful aspects of polymers is lightweight. As polymers generally are low density, this allows parts to be made that are light, as well as strong, tough, and resilient. Let's explore something then called lightweighting. A deliberate effort to reduce the weight of the part, saving shipping costs, reducing handling risk, even saving some cash by using less raw material. With a polymer, one could replace a metal in some applications or areas and reduce the part weight probably quite a bit. One could also reduce the weight of a polymer part. At the time of redesign, when a new mold is in the offing already, a better, lighter part design with idealized geometry can reduce the material required. There are easy ways that don't require a new mold too. Suppose you switch to a lower density resin, like polypropylene, to reduce the cost and weight. Or consider chemical foaming agents. These are available in master batches that can be mixed with feed pellets. These materials boil at processing temperatures and can be engineered to reduce part weight by creating voids in the thickest areas of the part while reducing overall weight and resin usage. I've used them to reduce part weight for product performance or simply to save resin. A foaming agent can reduce cycle time, since that cycle time is dominated by the amount of time that it takes to cool the material off enough to solidify, and the foaming itself is endothermic, so it is soaking up some of the energy that you would have to otherwise take out. They have little effect on the surface, only moderate cost, and since the weight of the additive is low, given the chemically generated gas comes from very small molecules. So in short, if you want to save weight, consider adding a chemical foaming agent to your compound. Knowing how to lightweight your part using chemical foaming agents, that's working knowledge. What you know you'll get when you watch us here at Polymer Club, Ask the Cook. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and share if you appreciate the content. You can follow a link in the description to learn more about Polymer Club and get involved. I'm Todd Cook for Polymer Club, Ask the Cook. Thanks for watching.